This indicator is very powerful, especially when you talk about finding the reversals. So I will review the two indicators in this video. The first indicator is the market turning points indicator, and the second indicator is called the bank indicator. And I will explain that why these indicators are very good to find the reversals. Okay, so especially when you talk about the market turning points indicator, you can use it on 5 minute and other time frames, but I consider the 15 minute to be the best time frame for the market turning points. As you can see here, this is not a support and resistance indicator. Basically, this is works into the real time levels. Like for example, if we talk about this sell opportunity level that is appeared here, so it was appeared here, it was appeared in the real time, and then you can see the price was dropped and then it was reversed. Okay, if I take you towards the Great Britain Pound USD, now you can see there was a selling opportunity. The price was already down, and now you can say that the buy opportunity is overlapping on the sell opportunity. So why? Because this is the real time indicator, and it is telling you that pound USD is about to go into the upward direction. Okay, so that is why this has the very good impact in the market. Okay, now you can see the price dropped from here, from the selling opportunity, and went up from the buying opportunity. Okay, so before I jump further into this video, so if you want to book the lifetime version of this indicator, you can contact through Telegram, you can contact through email. Links are given in the description. Okay, similarly, if you go step by step, then this is the AUD chart, and you can see what's happening here. You can see the selling opportunities in formation, and you can see already we have 3 to 4 candles down. So basically, this indicator is following the liquidity and the many other things, the price action. And if you when you will get this indicator, you will also be taught about the video lessons that I will give you, that you need to cover those lessons, because you will be taking your trades after the liquidity hunt, because the liquidity is the fuel of the trading market. So you will be using this indicator with the liquidity approach. Okay, so overall this indicator works very good, and it works into the real time. Like for example, in real time it is telling you on Sol USDT that this was a selling opportunity. Okay, similarly, if I take you towards, let's say, gold. Okay, so gold right now it's in the middle. Okay, pound, you can see already went up from the buying opportunity, and you already went going up your USD from the buying opportunity. Okay, now number two indicator is the bank indicator. Okay, so it is also one of the best indicators, and we normally use it on the retest. Okay, so as I told you about the market turning points indicator, that's the real time indicator, but the bank order has the static levels as well, and they can also appear after the move. So for example, let's talk about, and we normally trade the bank indicator on the retest. Okay, now you need to understand that this level was bank selling order was not already available here. So when the price, you can see it went 3 to 4 candles down. When the price was here, then after 4 to 5 candles, this or 10 candles, this level was appeared, and then what you have seen, that it was appeared after the move. So we do not care about this thing that the level is coming after the move. What our strategy is, our strategy is very simple, because these levels appear normally after the liquidity hunt, and then the market goes to retest such levels, and you can see a drop after that. So we will be putting our trades after the retest of those levels which appear after the move, because they are very important for us. Okay, now because we want fresh retest, so as if you just look at this area, this is almost a second retest, the first retest of the level. So we can trade that one. This is the first retest almost at the level, and you can see price is up. So those levels which are already retested many times, 3 times, we will not consider that. Look, for example, just take an example. First retest of the bank buying level, second retest, and now it's going up, but we will consider it to be the weak level if the price is coming to take the third retest, because we are not here for the second or third retest. What we are here, we are looking for the first retest of the level. So for example, just look at this example. This bank selling level was appeared when the price was almost here, and this was appeared. Now you can see the market retested, and then you can see there is a sound downward pattern on the chart. Okay, similarly, if you just look at here, the second retest, and then you can see it retested many times, but we mostly what I have seen in the bank indicator, after the second retest, the price simply goes into the downward direction, and our stop loss will remain above that particular level. Okay, Now, let me show you more examples. For example, where is the fresh retest? Okay, now just look at this is the fresh retest. Okay, now you can see this level was appeared later, then the market retested, so it's down. So that's what we are actually looking at. Okay, the more important thing in this indicator, if the price gives a close above the dotted green line, dotted red line, it's a buy signal, because it is telling you that the price is more likely to go into the upward direction. Okay, where other retail traders will be selling, you will be actually buying. So above the red dotted line, it's a buy. Okay, and let me show you more example about the some other example. Like for example, I want to, okay, for example, look at this scenario. The price is closed below the dotted green line. So what does it mean? It means that this is the sell, this is not a buy, because it shows the weakness in the market. Okay, so this is the concept that I have developed in the bank indicator, and this is the very powerful concept. You can see above the red dotted line, it's a buy. Below the, if the candle closes below the dotted green line, it's a sell. And this is how you can trade with this indicator. These both indicators are very powerful, and if you want to book the lifetime version of these powerful indicators or a single indicator, you can contact on Telegram, you can contact through email. Links are provided and details are provided in the description of this video. Thank you very much.